Very good morning to everyone, and today we will discuss about medicinal plants. So in this session we will discuss about cultivation, characterization, ethnomedicinal values and antibacterial agent. So this is the Lea microphylla, locally known as Hathi Khan. So Lea microphylla medicinal values against fever, cough, bone fracture, rheumatism, sexual weakness, arthritis, habit shrub, habitat, open vegetation, dry forest, particularly forest borders, propagation for cultivation by seed, stem cutting and air layering. So these are the technique to prepare the nursery to prevent disease by pesticides could be prepared from Vitex nugundo. So you can observe this is the Silastus paniculatus. So Silastus paniculatus medicinal values against cough, fever, joint and muscular pain, leprosy, skin diseases. Habit climbing shrub, habitat grow well in warm region up to an altitudes of 1800 meter. Soil for cultivation prefers to be grown in sheltered position in sun or partial shade. Propagation for cultivation by seed, germination is advanced by chemical scarification of the hard seed coat. So you can observe here the technique of nursery preparation. This is the Bacapa monieri or Brahmi. Bacapa monieri medicinal values against neurological disorders, cardiac problem, memory booster. Habit creeping herb, habitat warm wetland, soil for cultivation, grow well in poorly drained soil and water-logged areas. Propagation for cultivation, freshly collected shoot cutting of 5 to 10 centimeter length with internodes and rootlets are best for cultivation. Here also you can observe the nursery preparation. So irrigation, the field are irrigated by flooding every fifth day. Harvesting September to December or after 5 months. Yield up to 50 quintal per hectare. Economic values approximately expenditure 20,000 per hectare. Return about 1 lakh per hectare. This is the Centella asiatica or Thalkuri. Centella asiatica medicinal values brain tonic used against kidney stone, skin diseases, asthma. Habit slender trailing herb, habitat swampy areas up to an altitude of 700 meters. Soil for cultivation prefer most fertile, loose, sandy loamy soil. And this is the nursery technique. Irrigation. The fields are irrigated by flooding every 7th day. So harvesting after 7 months yield up to 70 quintal per hectare in dry form. So net income it may be 40,000 per hectare. This is the Pterocarpus marsupium against diabetes, inflammation, bleeding toothache, skin infection. Habitat lowland forest found at elevation from 200 to 500 meters but can get up to 1200 meters. This is the propagation. Freshly collected seeds are used for raising the plantation. Mature fruits are plucked from trees in April to May before they fall on ground. Transplantation, you can observe here a spacing of 9 meter into 9 meter is recommended. Plant required per hectare 150 to 160. Irrigation, it should be twice a month. Harvesting after 10 years. So market price, it may be 450 per kg wood. This is Pterocarpus centilinus or Raktachandan. Medicinal values, the wood paste is applied externally as a cooling application. Habit tree, habited steep hillside, moderate slope, low disease. So you can observe other factors and propagation for cultivations using the seeds. Transplantation 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter into 45 centimeter. Plant required per hectare 600 plantlets per hectare. Irrigation, the plants are irrigated immediately after transplantation. Harvesting 12 years and about 2200 per kg wood market price. These are the some products of sandalwood. Helictrus isora, medicinal values against fever, diarrhea, dysentery, abdominal pain, eczema. Habit shrub, habitat grow it varying habitats. In different habitats you can observe it. Market price about 800 per kg. These are the some products, but this is not a product of Helicter asura. This is the product of Pururia tuberosa. Rauwolfia serpentina or Sarpagandha, medicinal values, antidote, treat insomnia, hypertension, epilepsy. Habit herb, habited shady places in moist forest. Propagation by vegetative propagation using stem, root cutting, root stump and leaf cutting. Irrigation 4 times in a summer, in and a week, 4 times in summer a week and 2 times in winter a week. So this is the harvesting techniques. Plant requires per hectare 75,000 number of seedlings. Net income it can be 30,000 per hectare. Rauwolfia tetraphylla. Leaf juice is used in eye problems and decoction prepared from leaves is used for toothache. Habit a tall slender shrub, habitat abundant in moist and warm region. So propagation for cultivation by seed and stem propagation. Flower, this is the flower of Rauwolfia tetraphylla. Piper longum or pipili. Medicinal values against bronchitis, asthma, cold, cough, fever. Habitat hot, moist and shady places. Habit is a climber. So these are the some other factors you can observe here. Transplantation also you can observe here. Irrigation once in a 6 days. Harvesting you can observe market price around 1 lakh rupees to 1,50,000 per hectare. This is the Asparagus racemosus or Satabari. Asparagus racemosus medicinal values against female reproductive issues, stomach tonic, antiseptic, blood purifier, kidney problems. Habit climbing shrub. You can observe the other factors. So these are the irrigation, harvesting, yield, market price. This is the Tinospora cordifolia or Amrita. So medicinal values against fever, asthma, jaundice, skin disease, urinary problems. And these are the some other factors like habit, woody climbing shrub, habitat, soil for cultivations, propagation. Endographis paniculata. Have medicinal values against fever, sore throat, respiratory problems, skin infection. So these are the other parameters you can observe, the soil and the propagation method. Moringa oleifera, a cultivated plant, but highly uh, medicinally important. Control blood pressure against fever, habit tree. These are the other factors. It is a very common vegetable also. This is the Ocimum. So Ocimum sanchum, medicinal values against common cold, heart disease, inflammation, stomach problems, blood purification. This is the Bithynia somnifera or Ashwagandha, a rainy season kharif medicinal plant. So medicinal values against inflammation, treat insomnia, nervous system problems, rheumatisms, used to increase energy. These are the factors, and also you can observe the economic values. About economic values, lumbago jalanica, medicinal values against arthritis, nervous system problems. So here you can observe the other factors. Lumbago indica, or that was the Shwet Chitrak. This is the Rakta Chitrak. The milky juice of the leaves is applied on the skin in the treatment of scabies and ringworm. You can observe the product in market: root powder, Chitrak powder. So this is the Perthusia oleosa, medicinal values against cough, burns, headache, particularly stomach problems. This is the Chlorophytum boryvillianum, medicinal used as a tonic and rejuvenation of reproductive system. This is the Sadabahar, Catharanthus roseus, applied externally as an antiseptic agent for the healing of wounds. These are the other factors. So these are the products. Glorissa supraba, medicinal values at low dosage. It is used against ulcer, leprosy, piles, inflammation. You can observe Rubia cordifolia, medicinal values used as a tonic for heart problems, as an antioxidant agent. This is the Biphytum sensitivum against cough, inflammation. This is the Hard jod or Cissus quadrangularis, powerful medicinal properties supporting bone health. This is the Hemidesmus indicus or Anantamul. Hemidesmus indicus, medicinal usage in fever, asthma, used as an anti-cancer, antioxidant. These are some other parameters. Nageshwar or Meshwa feria, medicinal values against bleeding disorders, piles, fever, leprosy, impotency. So you can observe the other parameters. This is the Justicia arthropoda, medicinal usage particularly against the respiratory problems. You can observe the different products available in market. Sida equita, medicinal values against stomach, analgesic, antioxidant, habit herb. You can observe on the roadsides. Agile marmalus or wood apple, medicinal values: antidiarrheal, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-cancer. This is the neem Vajadica indica, medicinal values against skin infections in diabetes. This is the Pyruria tuberosa, particularly in rheumatisms. Okay, to get good health, we use the Pyruria tuberosa. This is the Butia monosperma against urine problems, against fever also, inflammation also. We use the Butia monosperma. This is the Cassia fistula or Amalthas. It is used for different purposes, but leaf paste is used against the fungal infection. This is the Vitex nigundo, important biopesticides. It is also used in cough, and you can observe here the different products of Vitex nigundo. It is a very common plant in rural areas. Usually you can observe in tribal villages, in rural villages, they also used, so they also use it as a biopesticide. So thank you very much.